Node.
Node, yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, I remember when I was taking botany, we had nodes and internodes.
Right, I remember that.
Yeah. So I got an example of that I want to show you too. Right here, this is a bay leaf. You know, the plant that has, this the herb, that's the bay leaf we buy in the grocery store. But a node is a little bit of a bump on the stem. See the little bumps? Those are called nodes, and it's the place where they're buds, and the buds can be a leaf bud or they can be a flower bud. So it's the little bump on the stem where leaves or flowers arise. And so it's a bump here, bump. And dormant, when they're dormant, you know, trees right now, you can really see, you know, all the little nodes. So it's the place where the buds are, and they can be flower buds or leaf buds.
It shows up really good on corn plant.
Oh yeah?
Or bamboo.
Oh yeah, certainly, yeah, on bamboo for sure, yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.